Hello, and welcome to the French Class Teacher Podcast to learn French straightforward. Today we are talking about something essential in French communication, useful French expressions, and politeness, phrases for real life situation. Politeness is a big part of French culture. Whether you are ordering food, emailing a colleague, or asking someone for help, the way you speak can make a big difference. For each of my podcasts, I provide some summary sheet and exercises. You can download it from my website, FrenchClassTeacher.com, in the library by clicking on the corresponding podcast. First, some listening tips for you. Adjust the playback speed depending on your level. Listen once and twice to make it comfortable. So today, for each step, I will give you the sentence in French and then the English translation. You will have some time to repeat after me. It will be a very good practice. So let's explore how to sound polite, confident, and natural in French. Let's learn the expression for greeting and starting a conversation. In French, greetings are important. Even if you only ask a quick question, always start with bonjour for the day or bonsoir for evening time. Examples. Bonjour, excusez-moi, comment vous appelez-vous? Hello, excuse me, what is your name? Repeat after me. Bonjour, excusez-moi, comment vous appelez-vous? Bonsoir, vous allez bien? Good evening, are you doing well? Bonsoir, vous allez bien? You can repeat. Enchanté, ravi de vous rencontrer. Nice to meet you. You can repeat. Enchanté, ravi de vous rencontrer. So now let's have an example when you meet someone. Bonjour, vous allez bien? Enchanté de vous rencontrer. You can repeat after me. Bonjour, vous allez bien? Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Another example. Excusez-moi, comment vous appelez-vous? You can repeat. Excusez-moi, comment vous appelez-vous? These expressions in formal situation are needed, like professional meeting, hotel check-in, or business calls. So now, if you want to ask for something politely, instead of directly asking, the French often requests using conditionals for politeness. You can use I would like, je voudrais, or j'aimerais. You can repeat after me. Je voudrais, or j'aimerais. Another example. Pourriez-vous m'aider? Could you help me? Pourriez-vous m'aider? You can repeat. Another sentence. Est-ce que ce serait possible de? Would it be possible to? Just repeat after me. Est-ce que ce serait possible de? Then let's have an example in a shop. Bonjour, je voudrais essayer cette chemise en taille M, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I would like to try this shirt in size M, please. Bonjour, je voudrais essayer cette chemise en taille M, s'il vous plaît. You can repeat. Now let's learn polite responses and reaction. Here are expressions to stay polite during a conversation. Bien sûr, of course. Just repeat after me. Bien sûr. Another sentence, you can use pas de problème. Pas de problème. No problem. Can repeat. Pas de problème. Another one, avec plaisir. With pleasure. You can repeat. Avec plaisir. Another example, je vous remercie. Thank you very much. Je vous remercie. You can repeat. And example in context, merci pour votre aide. Thank you for your help. And you can repeat after me. Merci pour votre aide. And your contact person will answer avec plaisir, with pleasure. Repeat, avec plaisir. Now let's talk about being diplomatic when saying no. In French culture, saying no directly can feel rude. I give you these expressions to make it softer. So if you want to say, I'm sorry, but that won't be possible. You have to say in French, je suis désolé, mais ce ne sera pas possible. You can repeat, je suis désolé, mais ce ne sera pas possible. Another example, je comprends, mais je préfère. I understand, but I prefer. You can repeat after me. Je comprends, mais je préfère. You can also use this one depending on the context. Peut-être une autre fois. Maybe another time. You can repeat. Peut-être une autre fois. Peut-être une autre fois. Now an example in a social situation. Tu veux venir au cinéma ce soir? Do you want to go to the cinema tonight? Tu veux venir au cinéma ce soir? Can repeat. Je suis désolée, je suis très fatiguée. Peut-être une autre fois. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. Maybe another time. Je suis désolée, je suis très fatiguée. Peut-être une autre fois. Now, if you need useful expression for emails or formal contexts, here they are. Writing in French often requires more polite formulas. French writing is always more formal. Example. Je me permets de vous contacter concernant. I'm contacting you regarding. So you will use that in mail. Je me permets de vous contacter concernant. Can repeat. Another useful formula, looking forward to your reply. In French, dans l'attente de votre réponse. Dans l'attente de votre réponse. If you want to say kind regards, you can say in French, cordialement. Cordialement. If you want to use yours sincerely, in French you can say, bien à vous. Bien à vous. Or if you want to use respectfully. In French, respectueusement. Respectueusement. So, an example with all of that. Je me permets de vous écrire pour confirmer notre rendez-vous demain. Cordialement, Maria. I'm writing to confirm our meeting tomorrow. Kind regards, Maria. You can repeat after me. Je me permets de vous écrire pour confirmer notre rendez-vous de demain. Now let's dive in the expression to end a conversation politely. Bonne journée. Have a good day. Bonne soirée. Have a good evening. You can repeat. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. If you want to say take care of you in French, prenez soin de vous. Prenez soin de vous. If you want to use see you soon, à bientôt, à bientôt. Or you can also say next time, à la prochaine, à la prochaine. See you next time, à la prochaine. Bravo! Using polite expression in French isn't only about vocabulary, it's about cultural awareness. The more you practice this expression in real contexts, the more natural you will sound. If you want to improve your confidence and sound more French when you speak, continue practicing and, of course, feel free to book a lesson with me. I invite you now to download the recap and exercises to learn, memorize, and practice with the exercises in the library in my website. Thank you so much for listening, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to speak. À bientôt!